We tried to fade the market today and we got cooked. So here's the trade. Started off on the 30-minute, marked out these rejection zones right here, these gray areas. Then we scaled down and I marked out my previous day highs, session highs, and then session lows. We didn't have a previous day low that got swept overnight. Then we waited till market open. I wanted to see, because we had a bounce out of these, we had a bounce out of this, I wanted to see either price to go into this rejection block and we trade it up, or we get a retracement back into this and we short it. But we had a break of structure to the upside, so I really wanted to see this bearish or this bullish rejection block get hit. None of them did, and I'll explain why we should have taken this trade in a minute. Anyways, price shot up, as you guys might have saw this morning if you're trading, and that kind of threw me off guard. But once I saw this once I started seeing price get rejected at this area, then I wanted to try to fade it, and it did not work. We went break even again, and honestly, price just kind of, all the volume dwindled out after that. So I don't know what happened. If it was news that I didn't see, I checked if Trump tweeted and I didn't see anything. Maybe I was checking the wrong account or something. And we didn't have any news today on Forex Factory. So I don't know what happened. But the trade I should have taken was this. So I forgot to mark out pivot points. So if you don't know what a pivot point is basically like the last candle before a break of structure or a change in behavior. So this candle right here is the last candle before this break of structure right here. So we had a change of character, then we broke structure, and this was the last candle. As you can see, if we scale down, right here we started to consolidate. I could have taken my trade right here. This would have been a perfect trade. Could have taken it to previous day highs with a 30-point stop. That's a 1 to 5 risk reward. That is a banger trade, and it would have only lasted 5, 10, 15 minutes. We would have been off the charts by 10:10. We would have hit full TP too. So yeah, but we didn't. We tried to fade the market. So I'm currently working on a Google Doc with all the things that I need to look for, and I have a poster above the layout I have here because I have 3 screens. I have not a poster, but a board that I have my checklist on for trading. So I check that every morning, make sure I hit everything, because for me, I forget a lot of the things that I have to go over. There's a lot of things that you have to mark out: liquidity, rejection blocks, pivot points, consolidation zones. All these can play a factor. If you miss one, you can miss a trade or you can lose a trade. So just to have them written out, and then you just go down the checklist, boom, then you can just trade freely. And yeah, but that was my trade today, and the trade I should have taken. Hopefully that helped, and stay blessed.